Okay, I'm going to show the solutions to our Chapter 5 Part B practice test. Try to get these up here so you can, there's 1, there's 2, and let me move it a little closer for 3, and there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Notice the original problem, 396 equals 9a. 9a means 9 times a, so I did the opposite, divide by 9, divide the other side by 9, and 9 divided by 9 becomes 1, a is alone. 396 divided by 9 is 44. Okay, problem number 10. Notice I had to borrow from the whole number in order to subtract because 3 6 minus 4 6, that doesn't work very well. So you borrow from the 5, make it a 4. Your denominator determines what that borrowed one becomes. It becomes 6 6 plus the 3 6 that was already there, which would be 9 6. 9 6 minus 4 6 is 5 6. Okay, so here's 11. And you get down to 7 over 14 and you need to reduce it. That's a little hard to read, so I divided by 7, both the numerator and denominator, and I ended up getting 1/2. Kind of wrote it wrong at first in my rush, so y equals 1/2 on 11. Okay, so 12. There's 12. You can see y equals 2 1/5. Okay, here is 13 and 14, x equals 6. Okay, there's 15, y equals 2. Here's 16. There is 17. I want to remind you, as you solve equations, you're trying to get that variable alone. So you're undoing what's happening. And you undo by, if it's plus 5, you minus 5. But you have to do that on the other side of the equals as well. Okay, so then after you do that, you get down to 2/3 x equals 12. And to undo a fraction, you've got to multiply it by its reciprocal. Okay, so that was number 17, x is 18, final answer. Here is number 18, x equals 9. Here is number 19. There is 20. If you can't read that, final answer 1 3/4. I got it down to 1 6/8, then I reduced it to 1 3/4. Here is 21. X equals negative 125. When you've got a negative, don't ignore it. Remember it's there in your final answer. Okay, 22. X equals 27. 23. X equals 25. And 24 was a word problem. A boy cut a piece of rope candy into pieces. How long was his rope candy before cutting it? So basically you have to add all those pieces together. So here's the solution. There's all the fractions. Notice I had to get a common denominator for each one. I added my whole numbers. They came to 15. Then I added my numerators. They came to 27. Okay, so 27 over 12 is considered improper. So I changed 27 over 12 to 2 3/12. So the 2 gets added to the 15. It's 17 3/12. Then I reduced it. Final answer, 17 1/4. Okay, so your homework was to correct anything that you got wrong. So I suggest you go through the video and pause on the ones you got wrong and correct those. Okay, now you're allowed to use this for your test tomorrow, so be sure that you study. Thanks, bye. And bring everything you need.